Today I'm gonna walk you through how to turn on profile views on TikTok. If you don't know what profile views are, it's basically a feature where TikTok allows you to see other people who viewed your profile on TikTok. To turn this option on, you simply need to tap on the profile option on the bottom right of the screen and tap on the three lines on the top right and head over to settings and privacy. After that, from the settings page, tap on the privacy option and scroll down to the bottom where you'll have an option of profile views right here. Now you can see it's written see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow other people to see that you viewed theirs. Now when you turn this option on, you can see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. Not only that, the other people who have turned on this option would be able to see that you viewed their profiles also. So it's a two-way option. If you want that to happen, you can turn this option on, and that's basically it. Now whenever you view someone's profile on TikTok, they will be able to see that you viewed it. If this video helped you out, then make sure to subscribe and give this video a like. That's all for today, and I'll be back with more.